In this video, we're going to see how we can add memberships functionality to our website using the paid Membership Pro plugin. Hi, my name is Stratos and I'm constantly producing video tutorials about WordPress. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. There are many WordPress plugins that can add memberships functionality inside your website, but I think that the paid Membership Pro can handle well the blogs. So you can create roles and then assign the categories of your blog to those roles and control who is accessing which post. If you go to the website paidmembershippro.com, and I will put the URL in the description below, you will see the official website. And if we go to the pricing page, we will see that there is a free version and it has 19 free add-ons. We're going to see the add-ons that are free, and it has also 6 payment getaways. Also, there is a plus and unlimited yearly price, which will add more plugins, more add-ons inside your WordPress installation. I'm going now to the website that we're going to play, and let's go to the post and then let's see the categories first. So as you can see, I have created some categories like free, and then inside I have the sport and the style category. There is the gold category, which includes the health and the news. Then there is the premium category, which includes food, funny and word, and there is a silver with night and politics. Of course, the silver, premium and gold correspond to the roles that I'm going to create later, and this is only for you to be able to understand better how these plugins works. So first thing first, let's go into the plugins, let's go to add new, and we're going to install the membership plugin. So this is the one I'm going to install now, and I'm going to activate it, and once it's activated it will add here a membership link so we can access the settings and everything else. So let's wait for that to be activated, and now I have the membership here so we can go into the dashboard. Inside the dashboard, as you can see, you can create membership levels, manage membership pages, configure payment settings, and more stuff that you can access quickly. All of those settings are inside the pages here, but they are easily accessed from here, the dashboard. So let's go first to the settings, and we're going to start from there. Here we're going to create a membership level. This membership level is going to control the access of the members that are part of inside your website. So we're going to create first a membership level, and the name for that will be first the silver. Then you can add the description for the package, and this is the confirmation message once someone will pay for this package. Also, you can include that inside your confirmation email that the visitor will get. So I'm going to type something like this is the silver level. Okay, I'm going to copy that also to the confirmation message. You don't need to add anything here. If you create a page that includes everything, you don't need to add something here. After that, as you can see, it has the payments details, and here is the initial payment. So this is the first amount that the person will pay in order to get access inside this level. After that, he can pay less if he's a member of this. And this is like a promotion and helping the visitors and the members to stay a member inside your website. So I'm going to put that like $50. And then for the recurring subscription, I'm going to check here in order to set that to be recurring, and the billing amount will be 40 every 12 months. So every 1 year he will pay less, $10 less than the first payment, as you can see here. And then we have the billing cycle limit, and this of course means how many cycles you want this billing amount to be enabled. After that, we have the custom trial, and you can set a custom trial period, and also you can set some money if you want people to try. Let's say $1 if we want to give access to the members just for them to try something like that. I'm going to disable that, and then we're going for the other settings. So we have disabled new signups, which means that no one will be able to access and be a member of this level. So if you want to stop the subscription for this particular level but keep the level and the members inside, you can just click here and disable the new signups. Then we have the membership expiration, which means that all the members will expire after some years or months or anything else. Now, since we have said already that this is a recurring subscription, we will get a message here that says, keep in mind that you have recurring subscription. So you should see what you have created and what you're going to do and be sure of that. Of course, this is just a warning. It's not something that will disable the choice that we're making here. And after that, let's disable that. After that, we have the categories for the blog. So this means that you can select which categories this level will be able to access. So of course I'm going for the free and what's inside, and then this is the silver, so I'm going to select the silver, the night, and the politics. So these are all the categories that the silver level will be able to access. I'm going to save that label, and here is the sum up of that level as you can see here. Now I'm going to get back to the levels later on, so let's continue with the settings. Let's go for discount codes. And here you can create some discount codes, exactly how the WooCommerce works, and distribute those through social media or any other media that you have, any other method. And these codes will override the membership default pricing as you can see here. So the person that is going to buy something, he will type his discount code and then he will get a lower price. Next is pages. And for the first installation of the plugin, the pages are automatically created. It will ask you if you want for the plugin to create automatically the pages. You will hit yes and it will create the pages. But this installation is a test installation. I have already created the pages and I deleted those, disabled the plugin, deactivate it, delete it, and then install it again just to show you how you can do it. So it didn't ask me for that to create the pages. Now I would like here something that will ask again, do you want to create the pages since they are not in here? But of course you can do it yourself. As you can see here, it says that you should include the short code, this one, to the membership account blog, and this is the page that you are going to create, the account page. So we're going to create the pages one by one. And of course, if you want, you can change the pages later on. So let's go and add some pages. Let's close that and access the add new. Okay, so the first one will be the account page. So let's go and give the account page a name, and then we can go and copy this short code and put it inside here. Now, since we have the blogs functionality, I'm going to add the row layout first and then add inside there the short code and paste it there here so I can publish the page, publish it and close it. Okay, next page will be the billing information page. And then I'm going to do the same. I'm going to add the row layout, add then a short code inside here. And then let's go and copy the short code and paste it inside here. Okay, I'm going to publish twice and then I'm going to pause the video to create the pages that are remaining. I have created all the pages, so now I can refresh the page here and I'm going to choose all the pages that I have created inside here. So the account page, we'll go for account page, etc. Billing information, cancel page, checkout page, confirmation page, invoice page, levels page, and then we have the login and the membership profile. Okay, let's save the settings, and as you can see here, we can click to edit the page and view the page here. Now, since they are using shortcodes inside the page to add the functionality, you can style the page with your builder and then add the shortcode to add that functionality inside there. Next one is the payment and SSL, payment gateway and SSL. So here we can select the payment gateway. We have payment standard, pay by check, Stripe, and then we have PayPal Express, Website Payments Pro PayPal, PayPal Pay Flow, PayPal Standard, Authorize.net, Brain T Payments, and Cybercourse. So you can select whatever suits you and go with that. So we're going for PayPal Express or something like Stripe, and of course I'm not going to connect that inside here. Also, we're going to create those levels and add them inside the WooCommerce, so you can use the WooCommerce to sell your level functionality and you can access all those plugins inside WooCommerce and connect the favorite method with WooCommerce, so you can pretty much do everything you want inside your website. After that, we have the Stripe API, as you can see here. So we have the show billing access fields, enable payment request, and we have the currency and tax settings. I have set that to be US dollars, and you can access and set which cards you want to accept. So Visa, MasterCard, Discover. Then we have the sale tax, and you can create some taxes if you want. And here you can add SSL inside your website by using this SSL seal code. Of course, you must prefer to add SSL functionality to the whole website and not through this plugin. Okay, let's go and save those settings. And then let's go to the email settings. Here we can select the from email, and this is the address that the visitor will get the confirmation emails, and this is the address that he will see. And then the from name, here you can put the name of the website. So for me, it's e-commerce. After that, you can select those settings to be only applied inside the Pro membership functionality mails. So you can check that and save the settings. After that, let's go to the email deliverability, and this is basically to connect to your SMTP settings. If you don't have an SMTP plugin, or if you haven't set up SMTP settings for the website, I would advise you to do with a different email and not through here. So let's go up, and then we have the email templates. The email templates, of course, as the name says, is the method that you can access and edit the templates of the emails that the visitors are going to get. So the nice thing that is inside the templates is that you have access to the header and the footer of the email, and those settings are separate to everything else. So you can access the header of the email, edit that, and every other body inside here. So the billing, the cancel, the checkout will have the same header that you have access. You will not have to go and access everything, every email template to edit the header. And this is nice that they have added that functionality. So you can select the email header, and this will bring up the HTML code, as you can see here. And you can check what you want and add here what you want to type. So here it says dear, and this is the name, and this is something that will be replaced with the actual name that the visitor has added inside his user. So you can see here in the left the variables that you can add, and those will be replaced with everything that it says inside here. And then we have the billing information, and you can see that they have a lot of variables that you can add inside your HTML template. Then you can save the template or reset the template to the default value. After that, you can go to the next one, which will be the email footer probably, and then start creating all the emails. Now, if you go to the billing or any other, you will see that you don't have a dear and then the name of the client, because that is grabbed from the header. You only access the body of the email, and you can change the information that the visitor will get. So after that, just save the templates and you're good to go. Now let's go to the advanced, and here we will see some other settings. So here we can block the users with the subscriber role to access the dashboard, so they can all access the dashboard, this one, and then you can hide also the toolbar up here from all the members with the subscriber role. After that, they will get a message if they are going to try to access something that it's not inside the level that they have already bought, or they are not a member of this website at all. So if they try to access something, they will see a message that says this content is for that specific level or those specific levels. It can be more than one, and you can join now pressing this button. After that, we have some message for the logged out users, and this message can be something different, like subscribe and you will get access to everything or something like that. Then we have the RSS feed that no one is using. And I think that this is something that is really important: filter, search, and archives. So this basically means, do you want to show your posts, images, and titles inside the archive page to everyone, even if he's not a member of this particular level or he's not a member at all for the website? Now, this depends on what you want to sell. So if you have something like courses and you want to show the people that are not a member of this particular level, or not a member at all of the website, you want to show them the courses that you have and what they are going to gain information for and what you are going to pay for. But you're not going to give them access to the posts itself, just the archive page with the title and some information about those posts. I think that this is good for marketing. But if you have something different, a website that sells information for other things like news or something different, then you may not want to show at all the names of the titles because they can search somewhere else for the same information. So I think that this depends on what you're building and how you want those promoted. So let's try that with an example. Here it says filter search and archives. No, so it will show the archive pages. And this is for the experts. And let's go and save the settings. Let's copy the URL and open a new tab that it's a private window, so I will not be a member of the website. So I'm going to access that. And I have created inside the menu here, we have the free, silver, gold, and premium. So I'm going to access the silver, which I have already created a level 4. And once we are inside, you can see that I have the posts here. So I can access the archive page inside here and I can see the title. But if I want to access a page here and access inside, it will say that this is the title, this is the image, it's published on, but you cannot see anything else. This is the content for members only. You cannot see anything else. If you want, log in or join now. But if I go back here, let's go to the archive page and then let's go here and hide this and put that to filter those. And let's go and save the changes. Now, if I go and refresh the archive page, I will see that everything now is closed, so I cannot access this page anymore. Now keep in mind that this will hide entirely the archive page and not say that you cannot access this archive page because you are not a member of this level and please join. It's going to hide that at all. So it says you cannot find it here. Let's go back to the website and I'm going to put that as a yes because I want those to be accessed for everyone. Okay, and I'm going to hide the experts. Keep in mind that this doesn't work for every theme and every setup. Then we have the required terms and service on signups, so you can select which are your terms and then it will be required for those to check on it that they confirm that are aware of those terms and accept those. So I'm going to select terms and conditions. Okay, enable spam protection if you want that to be enabled, reCAPTCHA for the signups, notifications. So if you want to see some notifications in the settings page, you can disable that if you don't want that. Activity email frequently, so the administrator will get some emails with the activity updates and you can set what you want here. And then we have the hide ads for members and the uninstall everything when you delete the plugin. And since I didn't remember that, I didn't hit that, so I had to create the pages one by one. Okay, no big deal. Now, next step is the add-ons. So let's go to the add-ons. The add-ons will give you more functionality inside your website, and you have some free features here and you have some pro as well. Now, I would like here to have a button, a link that it will say that it will filter out only the free, so I can get those installed easier. Also, if you're going to install something, you will have to go and add those one by one. I would like to have a checkbox here, check all the add-ons that I would like to add, press a button, and all of those would be installed and activate with one click. But this is not the case. You will have to go one by one, see if it's free or it's a paid one, and then install it and then go back to the add-ons and do the same all over again. So we have the type here and it says WordPress.org, which means that this plugin is separately from the paid membership pro, but it has some functionality that you will gain if you install it. So it says that it connects the paid membership pro to the Discord server. After that, we have some other plugins that are pro, and then we have also some plugins that, as you can see here, are free. So you will have to go one by one. So let's go to the list and see which plugins, which add-ons we're going to install. We have the connect paid to Discord. We have import users from CSV. This is the paid membership pro Weber add-on. I'm not going to add those. BB Press add-on, Body Press add-on. Then we have the cancel on next payment date if you want to add that. Courses for membership add-on. Paid membership pro events add-on. What other we have for the free? We have the Holler box integration. We have the Kiss Metrics add-on. Mailchimp add-on. Then we have the Pay Fast Gateway. We have the Reflow recurring order add-ons. Pods. Post Affiliate Pro integration. Register helper. I'm only reading the free, as you can see. Strong required passwords. Roles add-on. So I'm going to install that. And I'm going to do that in a new window because I don't want to close this. So install that and then activate the plugin. If you didn't do that in a separate tab, in a new tab, then you will go again into the membership add-ons and start all over. So let's go back here. We have the set expiration dates add-on. I'm not going to add that. Slack integration, subscription delays, WooCommerce add-on. I'm going to install that. Zapier and Social Locker and WP Bouncer. Okay, let's activate also the WooCommerce add-on. So now that we are okay with the add-ons, and of course you can do and add what add-ons you would like, we're going to continue with the next bit. Now, I would like also another free feature here. You cannot hide menu items in the free version. You have to go for the pro version to add the pro add-on for hiding some things from the menu. So since this is some features that I would like to see inside a free version, you can install another plugin to do that. There are plugins that can hide your menu items depending on the level that the subscription is a part of, or if he's a member at all or not. So let's continue now with the levels. So let's go back to the dashboard and we're going to add the levels from there. So we can view the membership levels and manage membership levels. Let's go for view membership levels and then add our new level. After that, we're going to name that as gold. Then we have the description, we have the confirmation message. I'm going to leave those at blank. And for the price, I'm going for 100. I'm going to check that and then put here like 80 or something. This is for a whole year, okay? And I'm just going down to the categories and I'm going to put here that I can see the free, I can see the gold. And since the gold is one level up than silver, I'm going to also be able to check the silver. So the silver members will only get access to silver and free. Gold members get access to silver, free, and gold. And the premium get access to everything. So save that. And I'm going to add a new level. And here I'm going to put premium. Okay, and let's go for 150. Okay, this is 120 for the recurring bill. And then let's go down and check everything. Okay, and then save level. Now, since I have also a free category, I would like to add the members for the free, and they will not going to pay anything. I just want to catch their email addresses in order to send them messages in case they will want to pay to access some content. So it's easier that way. So let's go for free. And this is the free, of course, for the description. The payment is 0. And let's go here and they can only see the free. Okay, save level. So everyone has to be a member for the website in order to access the content. Now let's go back to the incognito. So I'm not a member of this website and I'm going for blog and I'm going for free or something. And I haven't set it that to be as free. So let's go to settings. Let's go for the advanced. I didn't save, I think, the settings. So let's go here and see no. Okay, and then let's go and save that. And now if I go and refresh here, I can see everything, and if I click here, it says that I have to be a member of something in order to see. As you can see, silver, gold, and premium for this particular post. Okay, let's join now. Now it says that you can select which one you want to go. So you can go silver, gold, premium, and of course free. If I select here, I will see that here it says the membership level, which I can change here. It says that I have to pay $50 at this moment and now $40 every year. And then it asks me to fill some information and of course the payment information and submit at checkout. Let's go and change that to the free in order to create just simply member. And let's go for the free version. Okay, it's 0 as you can see. It says for username, so let's go for test free. This is the password. Okay, here is the email demo@demo.gr and then confirm that email and submit and confirm. Of course, I don't have any payment information here because this is the free level. So now I can view my membership account, and as I can see, here are the levels that I have. This is free. I don't have any information here. This is my account, and I can edit the profile, change password, and log out. And I have the invoices here that I can see if I have paid for something. Now back to the dashboard, the admin dashboard. If I go to the members here, I will see that I have one member here, which is the test free, and I haven't set the free name, last name, and everything else, but if I had inside there, I would see everything. And as you can see, this is the fee that I have paid, the register and start date. Now, if I go inside here, I will see that I'm able inside here to change the level of the role. So here's the subscriber, of course, and let's go down here. And it says here that I'm currently in level 3 and I can change silver, gold, or premium if I want. After that, it says if it's going to expire and every other information that I have inside my users. So let's go and change from free to gold and let's go and save. And if I go back to the account and refresh here, I will see that I'm now in the gold and I haven't paid anything, of course. And let's go back to the incognito. Okay, and here if I go and select the gold, now that I am a member of gold, I can see all the posts that are inside here. So I can click here. Sorry, I opened by mistake another window. So now I can see the post that inside here. But if I go to the premium one and select something from the premium, let's go for this one, I will see that I cannot access this. I cannot go for premium. This is only for premium members. Okay, let's close that. And now let's go to the pages and all pages. And let's go to the About Us page and edit that. And inside the pages, you will find that there are options that you can set your pages to the level that you want. So here, the pages, I have the page options here. You should have only the page option, not the blog options. And then if you go and scroll down, you will see that this is the required membership. And it says if you want to set that page to be only appeared if you have access to some levels. So this is the premium and gold and free, not from silver, or basically for me it would be not free and this would be silver, gold, or premium. So something like that. So you can update that, and then if you go back to the page, the account, you will see that depending on the level he will not get access inside here. Of course he will be able to see in the menu the page, but he will not get access inside there. Now, I would advise you, if you are going to add membership functionality inside your website, go into the pages and the categories that you have the membership functionality and set as no index, so the crawl bots cannot access and read the pages. Okay, next step is go into the WooCommerce and let's go into the products and add a new product. So I'm going to create a level and I'm going to set a price for that product, and I'm going to sell it like it's a physical product from WooCommerce. So the product name will be the Premium level. And then you can set the description as you want, like a normal product inside WooCommerce. So here, general, we have the regular price, which is $150. Then we have the sale price if we want. I'm not going to do that. You can set virtual, and I would set that as virtual because there are no shipping information, and I would not like that to be as shipped or anything else. Then you can go for inventory and set if you want an SKU, and at the bottom we have the membership here, and click here. Here we can give that to a membership level. We can assign that to a level. So this is the premium. Then we can set that to have access immediately as he pays for that level, so he will get immediately access. And I would advise to do that because most people that pay something will want to get access immediately. Then we have the membership member discount pricing, and this is basically something that overrides the pricing of the membership. So basically it says go and buy the premium, and then you will get something like a discount price for the other levels. This doesn't make any sense in the premium, but if I go and put that to be a silver, then he will get some discount in order to buy the gold or the premium after that. But I'm not going to do that at this moment. So then you can set everything else that you want inside here and then publish that and add those in the homepage or anywhere you want. This is basically a product inside WooCommerce, so you can sell it like anything else in WooCommerce. And of course, you can connect all the payments that you have in WooCommerce and adjust everything else. For me, this gives you more functionality and you can do so much more than basically have a list with those packages. You can do much more with that. You can add affiliates, you can add flows and bump up, and everything else you can add as marketing when you install WooCommerce and handle those products. So I think that was all with this tutorial. I think that now you can go and create what you want with the membership functionality. Please leave a comment if you want to ask something. Leave a comment if you know any other plugins that can handle membership functionality better, so I can check them out. I have checked over 10 plugins, but I would like to know more. I don't know everything, of course. So thanks for it, guys. Please give me a thumbs if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.